Hey there. Welcome back to our channel where money doesn't grow on trees but it does grow on your bank account. Today we are dropping some serious wealth nuggets that will have you feeling like you just found a four-leaf clover. We're diving deep into 7 money moves to make before summer that will have you saying cash me outside, how about ah? Okay, maybe you ain't be saying that but you'll be feeling yourself especially when you see those bank statements. So grab your mint chocolate chip latte because we're about to get this bread. Number 1, you need to unsubscribe from everything that you don't use. Yep, you heard that right. It's time to unsubscribe from all those emails that are tempting you to spend your hard-earned cash. That random streaming service you haven't touched since that one show? Gone. That $5 photo app from 2021? Delete it, bestie. Those tempting emails from online stores you don't frequent? Unsubscribe. You could be leaking $100 to $300 a year on stuff you don't use. That's money you could be saving, investing, or putting towards your next goal, whether it's a new laptop, a cozy vacation, or that course you've been eyeing. Cutting out unnecessary expenses is like trimming the branches of a tree. You might not see the results immediately, but over time your financial tree will flourish. Number 2, audit app subscriptions. Look, we love convenience as much as the next person, but how many times have you opened your bank statement and wondered where the money went? Ah, yes, that $999 monthly expense that was supposed to be a one-time purchase. Don't worry, we've all been there. Apple charges are the sneaky culprits behind many money mysteries. Go into your iPhone settings, subscriptions, and cancel anything that isn't serving future you. Remember that subscription you had for language learning, but then life got in the way and now you stuck paying $10 a month for something you aren't using anymore? Cancel it. You can always pick up where you left off in a few months if you want to. But why pay for something you aren't actively using? It's like keeping a leaky faucet, it slowly drains your bank account without you even realizing it. Number 3, you need to recheck your budget. Your budget isn't set in stone. If you made your budget in January, it's probably time for an update. Life changes, so should your numbers. Whatever the changes, update your budget to reflect your new reality. A great tip is to use the 50-30-20 rule, where 50% goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings, investing, or paying down debt. This simple formula can bring you financial peace and help you achieve your money goals faster. Number 4, reset your 50-30-20. If you're feeling overwhelmed by traditional budgeting, don't sweat. You're not alone. The good news is there's a reset that can simplify everything: 50 needs, 30 wants, 20 investing, saving, paying down debt. Let's break it down. 50% of your after-tax income goes towards your needs, your rent, groceries, transportation. Next, 30% is for your wants, dining out, shopping, that coffee habit. Basically anything that's not a need. Finally, 20% goes towards your future self, investing, saving, paying off debt. This approach gives you a financial compass that's not built on guilt, but on balance. After all, life isn't about sacrificing today for an uncertain tomorrow. It's about making smart choices today for a better tomorrow. Number 5, start a sinking fund. So you're planning a vacation. Stop spending your whole life savings on travel. Create a sinking fund. It's like a special savings fund for a big purchase or a vacation. Every week you put a little bit aside. By the end of the month, boom, you have a nice chunk of change ready to go. For example, if you're planning a $2,000 vacation in 6 months, that's $333 a month. But starting a sinking fund isn't just about vacations. It's about planning for unexpected expenses, car repairs, medical bills, or even buying a new laptop. Knowing you have a financial cushion can bring so much peace of mind. Number 6, you need to negotiate everything. Here's a secret: most things are negotiable. From internet and cell phone bills to furniture and even clothing. There's always room for negotiation. Don't be afraid to pick up the phone and ask for a better deal. As a wise wealth bestie once said, if you don't ask, the answer is always no. Now we're not suggesting you haggle over every purchase, but when it comes to significant expenses, it's worth having a conversation. Your internet provider has a special introductory offer for new customers. Well, guess what? You were a customer already. Can they match the new customer offer? And voila, you just saved yourself some cash. Number 7, automate your wealth. Okay, let's talk automation. It's like setting up your financial autopilot. You know when you get your salary and instead of having the money hit your checking account, you send a portion of it straight into your savings or investment account. It's effortless, it's efficient, and it's like having a personal finance assistant that never takes a day off. You set it once and it runs in the background. This way you save and invest consistently without even thinking about it. Pretty soon you'll have an emergency fund, a vacation fund, or even a retirement fund that takes care of itself. And the best part, it's the easiest money habit in the world to start. And there you have it, 7 money moves to make before summer. Remember, small consistent steps lead to significant financial leaps. Follow us for more wealth nuggets and stay tuned for more tips to level up your financial game. Until next time, happy wealth building.